Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Cadillac XT6 Sport featuring an Argent Silver Metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, a power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, main Bose speaker down below, and our liftgate controls. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left, you'll find the power seating and power lumbar. Hopping inside, to the left here we have our power park brake and the head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel, we have our cruise control to the left with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert, and to the right is our cluster and audio controls. Here's the cluster. And just to the right, we have our infotainment screen. Starting off with the audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have our map and navigation here, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here's the backup camera and surround vision. Just below that, our climate controls with the heated and vented front seats, some extra storage. And in the middle here, we have our infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad, and the center console. Storage up top as well as down below with 2 USBs at the back. Top here we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps, door handles with keyless entry, and privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, of course, have some Cadillac badging, XT6 and all-wheel drive just to the left. And we can double click to pop it open. A good amount of storage space back here. Just to the right, you'll notice some power controls to drop the second and third row of seats, making a ton of extra storage space. Not to mention the hidden storage down below. And we can close it all up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, powered windows, cup holder down below. There's a 60/40 seat split. And we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear vents with rear heated seats. 2 USB plugins, and down at the bottom, some storage. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light and vents matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we have a drop-down armrest / cup holder. We get a great view of the power sunroof. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 Cadillac XT6 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.